All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Everything from mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good stuff with cryptocurrency. Well, today we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars. Dogelon Mars just flipped linked as the top whale, 1,000 ETH whales buying the coin. Dogelon Mars is the #1 coin right this second, flipped link. Now that's pretty big considering we were just talking about is Dogelon Mars dead, but we were also talking about is this the best time to buy the discount buys and buying the dip, and now all of a sudden whales are buying Dogelon Mars more than anything, flipping the link cryptocurrency. So I don't know, is the coin dead or is this the best time to buy it? Now remember, we always talk about you want to follow the whales. The whales know what's doing. When the whales are swimming this way, you want to swim with the whales. So we're going to kind of dig into all that kind of stuff. Also, paying your taxes with cryptocurrency this year, pretty important. We're going to do a little segment at the end about why it's important. On the tax returns, it's right on the top front page of did you have any cryptocurrency tax things that you need to claim this year. So we're going to kind of go through that. All right. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, Dogelon Mars just a day or two ago. Is this cryptocurrency dead? Well, if it was dead, why are whales going crazy about it? Let's head over to Dogelon Mars. Some people call it Dogelon Mars. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, we'll do a little price prediction a little bit later. Take a look at this. This cryptocurrency is down 35%. Let's blow that up a little bit. Do you see that? 35%. I can't believe it. Now in the last 24 hours, it did bounce back 4%. That's still 30% down. It's 124th on CoinMarketCap. Clicking it. All right, over here to the right, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 78.63, up slightly in the last 24 hours. And here's what it looks like in the last 24 hours, how it's kind of going up a little bit. In the last 7 days, though, this coin actually kind of really came down. Right here is when we were talking about, is this cryptocurrency dead? It seemed to be bouncing back up, and with whales all over it. Let's check out these holders real quick. All right, let's go to 3 months. And this is a good indication because if more and more people are buying the coin. All right, 90 days ago, there was 82,000 holders of Dogelon Mars, and today there's 127,000. That's about 50,000, about up about 60%, 55 to 60%. So that's fantastic. More and more people are owning the Dogelon Mars. Over here at the Twitter account, it says, I am Dogelon Mars. Join me and together we'll reach the stars. The thing I like about this crypto is it's the intergalactic cryptocurrency for intergalactic travel to the Mars. So when we do travel to Mars, we're going to have to get our Dogelon Mars tokens to be able to do that. Now let's take a look at this right here. Yep, just in. Elon Dogelon Mars has flipped Link to become the most traded among 1,000 ETH whales. So it just flipped it. Okay, so Link was the #1. Now this coin was just down 40% the other day. Do you think the people that the whales have research in them notice that? That holy cow, this cryptocurrency is down 40%. And now all of a sudden, a day or two later, it's the #1 traded coin ever right this second by whales. Flipping the Link. Look at this picture real quick. You gotta love it. Holders, they're holding the coin. They're nowhere near the panic sellers. But look at the panic sellers. They're selling their money, taking their losses and going, where the holders are just taking their time. That's something we should take a second and think about. When you're buying the cryptocurrency, you need to strap in. The coin can go up 100% in one day, down 100% the same, to the left and to the right. Cryptocurrency is like being on a roller coaster ride. I mean, it really is kind of nuts and stuff. I was saying the other day, it was so bad the other day, like quit looking at your phone, quit looking at the stats. If you look at the stats for the last year, it kind of goes like this. When you're like this, you gotta say it's like baseball. In baseball, if you played Major League Baseball, sometimes you're gonna strike out. It's just the way it is. Sometimes you're gonna hit the ground ball, a double, and you're not gonna like hitting into a double play, but it happens sometimes. Well, sometimes in cryptocurrency, the market is going to fly down like this, and it's going to be so sad. And what do you not do? You don't panic sell. Let's take a look at that again. Right there, holders are holding on to their cryptocurrency, and the panic sellers are selling. Now, with that, I wanted to go over to this article that Dogelon Mars became the most traded alt among the top 1,000 ETH whales. This was a month or so ago. Great article, but it just happened again and they flipped the link. But what does this article says? The whales have shown interest in Dogelon Mars after token spiked 250%. Now this again was a month or so ago, but there's a 250% increase there. The whale stats reveal that Elon was the most traded altcoin among the whales a few days ago. That 1,000 ETH whales have gone all in on Elon. Now, they went all in on Elon a few months ago, and they're going all in on Elon right now as we speak. So right now, it's a top coin. People are loving this coin. Link used to be the #1. Now it's Dogelon Mars, and here it is. Months ago, it was the same thing. So again, just kind of pointing out, Dogelon Mars has been loved by the whales for a while now. Going over to the website, Dogelon Mars, it's got a facelift. You got crypto.com down here, Uniswap. If you want to go ahead and get some Dogelon Mars today, you got about 6 different options right there. All right, we're going to come back to Dogelon in a second. So what about paying taxes with cryptocurrency? Is it important? Is it something you should look into? Talk to your accountant. Let's see what it says. You're playing with fire if you don't report it. What happens if you don't disclose crypto activity in your tax season? Well, here's a couple of things. There's a question about virtual currency on the front page of your tax return, making it clear you will need to disclose your crypto activity. If you don't report your transactions and face the IRS, you may face an IRS audit. You may hit with interest, penalties, and even criminal charges. You're playing with fire if you don't report it. So I would say you may want to get with your accountant and report it. Look at the cryptocurrencies right there. We got the Bitcoin and the Dogecoin. After a recent market dip, reports last year, cryptocurrency profit on tax returns may be less appealing, but hiding taxable activity may lead to the IRS trouble, experts warn. Well, in 2021, the digital asset market sailed past $2 trillion, with Bitcoin peaking at 69,000 in November, and Ethereum went almost to 5,000 during that same period. While values have dropped in December, many investors are still having very sizable gains. And the IRS made it very clear they're watching, and yes and no questions about the virtual currency is near the top of the front of your tax return. This is where their hammer comes down because they will say that you lied on your government document under penalty. So the key thing here is you want to make sure you get with your accountant, or if you do your own taxes, you probably want to definitely put down what you're doing with your cryptocurrencies. There's different taxes in different states. You want to look into that, but I just thought this was important. Again, on Frank's Crypto Corner, we bring you all kinds of things. You know, the taxes of cryptocurrency, buying the coin, staking the coin. In the next few days, we're going to be talking about Drip Network. It's a really pretty good project. We're going to be talking about 1% return on your money. We're going to be going into a whole video, deep dive. Give me a day or two, and I'll be putting that together. All right, everybody, let's head back over to Dogelon Mars and do a little price prediction. Again, over here at the website, I just wanted to finish this a little bit. You know, they got over 500,000. As our Twitter followers increase in size, so does the number of galactic citizens who hold the currency of the future, and so to grow the future population of Mars. Thanks. There's over 500,000 followers of the Dogelon Mars. So they need to update their website right here because they say there's actually 300,000. They need to add a little extra more there. Their roadmap, you can kind of go to the comics right here, and it kind of tells you what's going on with Dogelon if you definitely do that. Dogelon right now is ranked 125th cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap, 433.2 million. Volume is 21.79 M. They got a little tutorial here how you can get on, create your MetaMask accounts, send the ETH to your wallet, connect your wallet, swap it, boom, you got some Elon. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap. So what do we think our price prediction is? Well, it's down 36%. I think the coin's going to bounce back 25 to 30% in the next 2 to 5 weeks here. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. But if the whales are buying more Dogelon Mars than any other cryptocurrency, and it was just down 40%, and I was saying, is this coin dead? And we were talking about that, and we didn't know. And a lot of people are like, no, we're buying more, we're loading up and stuff. Well, the whales are loading up on it too. It's the #1 traded coin. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. We will see you a little bit later on today. Dogelon Mars, is it dead? If it was dead, the whales wouldn't be buying it more than any other cryptocurrency. put it on your radar. We'll see you a little bit later on today.